Hello, friends. When you go to the voting in election, when you press the button of the favorite party of the EVM, have you ever wondered if there is any guarantee that your vote is actually being registered? That your vote is actually counted, not only through the EVM, even votes through the ballot papers. When you are voting through ballot papers, what guarantee that an scam will not take place? We are guaranteed this via central agency, election commission. Basically, we have to blind trust the election commission that the EC will work properly for our vote to be counted properly. What imagine this, friends? Do you know that the such system can be built using blockchain? Yes, it is the same technology on which Bitcoin is based. Blockchain. Some people believe that this technology can revolution the entire voting system. How can this be possible? How does the blockchain technology work? Come, let's find out in today's educational video. What is blockchain? The biggest question: what is a clear blockchain? Blockchain is basically a technical to store information, to store the data in a decentralized manner. Decentralized means that there will be no centralized authority to control the entire data and information. Take RBI for example. Our Indian rupees, this note 5,000 is printed by the RBI. RBI guarantee that the value is 5,000, neither 101 nor 502. It's even written on RBI that RBI guaranteed. So RBI is basically a central authority controlling all Indian rupees notes around the world. RBI can change the value of the notes if it can increase the note production or decrease it. But no, on the other hand, currency like Bitcoin or R, there are no centralized agency authorities controlling Bitcoin. It is a possible because Bitcoin is based on blockchain. Blockchain is the technology that actually makes Bitcoin. There can be many ways to store information. Write down something can on paper is a way to sim. Writing something on Excel file on the computer is a way to store information. On an Excel file, your information is structured in the form of a table. You know the tables. Similar in a blockchain, information is structured in the form of blocks. Each block is made up the three main things. First, any data or information you store in the block. Second, each block has fingerprint known as a hash. This is the way to uniquely identify blockchain among other blocks. Every block has its own fingerprint. And third, each of the blockchains store the fingerprint of the block before it. This is a blockchain. This block will have own fingerprint of the block. And thirdly, any information you put into it will be stored here. This is how all the blocks are linked with each other. And the most unique thing about this is that if you want to change the data in any block, if you try to contemplate data, then fingerprint or then hash of the block will change. And if the hash of blockchain changes, the hash of next block will also change. And the next and eventually the entire blockchain will be destroyed. For the reasons it is next to impossible to alter or tamper with the data in a blockchain. because once a block is defined that become a part of the blockchain, it cannot be turned off that. The second major reason for blockchain being a secure decentralization. You will not be found a blockchain stored only on computer. Blockchains are stored in a network of computers. All the computers around the world belong to the participant of the blockchain will have any copy of the blockchain. Instead of one centralized authority, it is managed and run by a network of computers collectively.